Are you planning to relocate your business within the UAE or internationally? With Baxter Shipping, don't risk downtime or damage. From corporate offices and warehouses to commercial spaces, we handle moves of all sizes with minimum downtime and a process designed to keep your business running smoothly and efficiently.
Our team at Baxter ensures careful, professional packing, using only premium, heavy-duty materials to protect your assets through every stage of the move. We handle sensitive IT equipment, office electronics, important documents and files, making sure they are securely packed and labeled for easy tracking. We ensure department-wise packing for easy unpacking and setup. We use high-grade, durable packing materials engineered to safeguard your business assets at every step of the relocation. Our 3 and 5 layered corrugated cartons are engineered to withstand pressure, impact, and long-distance transport. We provide complete post-move support, including workstation setup, furniture placement, IT reconnection assistance, and the removal of all packing debris. Seamless, hassle-free business moves with Baxter Shipping,